In turns around a point, you'll fly a constant radius circle around a prominent reference point on the ground. You'll need to adjust the bank angle throughout the maneuver to compensate for wind drift. The point you select should be easy to distinguish, yet small enough to present a precise reference. Like most ground reference maneuvers, the entry is flown on a downwind heading between 600 and 1,000 feet AGL. You should fly to one side of the reference point at the distance you want to maintain throughout the turn. When you're opposite the reference point, roll into the initial bank at a fairly rapid rate. Since you're flying downwind, the ground speed is high and the angle of bank is at the steepest point in the maneuver. During the first half of the turn, the bank angle is gradually reduced as your ground speed decreases. This allows you to maintain a constant distance from the reference point. As you reach the upwind side of the maneuver, the ground speed is low and the angle of bank is at its shallowest point. Your ground speed begins to increase as you continue toward the downwind side of the maneuver. This requires a gradual increase in the bank angle to maintain a constant radius. You may need to fly around the point several times to get a good feel for the wind, varying bank angles, and the proper distance from the reference point. It is also a good idea to practice turns to the right as well as turns to the left.